Hi guys, Alec Peirce at the ranch with another tip for you, especially you old guys. If you're under 30 years of age, you go into one of my other videos, okay? Because this really doesn't apply to you too much. This is for old guys. Now I'm in my 70s and I've had a pretty crazy life. I've done just about everything I could possibly think of that's wild and crazy and dangerous. And as I said to my son the other day, if I knew I was going to live this long, I would have taken better care of my body. I have a pair of work pants here today to show you. Work pants, what is this? What is this guy? Is he online selling? No. I don't care about the brand. It's just a pair of regular old, you probably have a couple of good solid, I guess it's denim or drill, whatever they call it. And they got all the usual pockets and rivets and stuff like that. These work pants are a big deal. You see, here's the problem. Watch this. Okay, Kevin? I want you to watch this. You see, my age, my legs are well-used legs, okay? So if I want to go down on the floor, here's what I have to do. I have to have a grip, first of all, and I put one knee down like that, carefully, and the other knee down like that. There, I'm on my knees. Now, I can't stay down here for very long. First, my knees start to hurt. Secondly, this is hurt. If I move around on my knees, it begins to hurt. If I'm out in the driveway where it's gravel, or even in the garage where it's cement, I probably couldn't even do this, certainly not comfortably. So I have a couple of kneeling pads. Foam pads that I take with me if I'm working outside, if I'm changing the tires or changing oil in the tractor, whatever I'm doing, where I'm down like this. I always have a knee pad because it's very hard on my knees. Get back up, I have to get that knee up and like that, and up we go. It's not that I'm not in shape, it's just that I'm getting old. So I found these work pants, and they were good work pants, and they were a really good price. I think I got them at TSC. Lots of places have them. And I wore them for a while. Wow, these are good. They're warm, they're tough, and they don't show the dirt. So I get to wear them for a few extra days before Diana starts to complain. And then one day I was looking, I said, I wonder what that's for. Because pocket. And I wonder what that flap is for. And I realized that there's another pocket or space on the front right by the knee. You see it there? You see, I see the flap across there, and there's a big... what the heck is that? So I took a look, and it's just a big empty flat space. See my hand on there? Flat space. What's that for? And it hit me. It's for a knee pad. Now I'm sure they didn't come with knee pads, but I'm sure you would probably go on to Amazon or go to a store and buy knee pads, which you could probably do very easily. But I'm not going to do that. But let's give it a try. So I went and got some foam. I have some foam. This foam is actually, to be honest, this is the foam that I use in the drawers of my toolbox. You can use anything, any piece of foam that you have. I think it should be fairly dense foam, not that soft, squishy stuff, fairly dense, but get anything, any kind of foam. So I got a piece of this foam, which, as I say, is toolbox liner. I cut it to the shape and slipped it in there. Well, what a difference. What a difference it makes. I don't have to carry a kneeling pad around anymore. It slides in like so, and you put the flap over. You don't even know it's there, and off you go. I'm going to show you how much better it is. So here we are. I've got these great work pants on with the built-in knee pads, just like that. Watch this. My knees are on the pads. And you can kneel and walk around on the garage, on everything else. Just fantastic. So again, some of you old fellas having the same problem I'm having. As you get older, you're finding that your knees are sensitive. They don't bend as well. You have to pad them, whatever the case may be. Next time you're out looking for a new pair of pants, tell you what, Christmas is coming. Whatever, birthday's coming. Just simply say, I need a new pair of work pants in my size, whatever it happens to be, and see if they don't have those ones with the slots on the knees to put in pads. I think you'll like them. Not a big deal, but I thought I'd mention it to you. Maybe you, I didn't realize it for a while what they were. Maybe you're the same. Might be worthwhile. Take care. Alec at the ranch. Take care.